One other thing that we do on our stair systems, most people, or a lot of the older decks that you see, when you're coming down the deck, you might have, these are what we call stringers, the part that the steps actually sit on. A lot of the older decks, you're going to be pretty fortunate if you have one every 16 inches. Some of them will do it every 2 foot. When we do ours, we actually, there'll be no more than 12 inches on center between any of the stringers that we do. So, you know, like on this particular deck, it's a 4 foot wide set, and we actually have 5 stringers. It just makes your steps stay more stable over time, doesn't allow the boards to cup and warp. Just makes it a real solid set of steps to come up and down instead of doing a nail down decking. All the decking is screwed back down, and we updated it with a aluminum baluster handrail on this one.